Everywhere you look in fire-ravaged LA, scenes of apocalyptic destruction. Catastrophe in California. A Los Angeles disaster movie roars to life.
Whoa! This was like an 80-mile-an-hour blowtorch.
I came out and I saw a fireball.
Do you know what you're gonna do now?
How do I get to my house?
Tonight, homes in ashes, lives in chaos, heroes in action.
You haven't slept.
Not really. You got control on one, and then the winds pick up.
The flames are still burning, and questions are burning too. What lies ahead?
How do you come back from something like this?
They come back one day at a time.
LA's landscape changed forever.
Hi, I'm Alejandra and this is Rafa. We are here to share a special project from Arts and Crafts with Mr. G, inspired by the Los Angeles fires a couple of months ago that made international news.
We created a 3D fireproof house as part of our How the World Works unit. It's designed to protect against wildfires, a big issue in Los Angeles because of climate change.
Wildfires are becoming more frequent, so it's important to think about how architecture can help communities adapt and stay safe. Exactly, our houses aren't just safe, they are designed to blend with the environment, helping communities thrive even in the face of climate change.
It's not just art, it's problem solving. We're combining creativity with real-world challenges, thinking critically about the future of architecture.
Exactly. In the IB spirit, you're not just learning, you're building solutions for tomorrow. Innovators in the making. It's exciting to know how design could one day help save lives. Art meets acting. And that's what makes this project so powerful.
This is just the beginning. Our ideas could shape a fireproof future for everyone.
And that's the heart of the IB mission, creating a smarter, safer, and more sustainable world through action and creativity.